Hey, it's Mike Scully here today. I'm going to show you exactly how you can create content, infinite content for social media. It doesn't matter what the platform, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, it does not matter. This is the cheat code by using AI, how to create content, infinite. Okay, so let's dive into it. We won't waste time. Now, if you go to ChatGPT first of all, and you have a skill you want to talk about. So let's think, what skill do we want to even talk about and actually sell as a service? What do you do in your 9 to 5? Do you do Excel? Do you do some automations? Do you create graphs, charts? Whatever you do. Now, maybe you work in a manual labor job like I did, and I had to learn a new skill. So let's use that as an example. I learned landing pages, okay? So what is a landing page, for example? Because this is the easiest way to actually leave a manual labor 9 to 5, or if you just don't have skill set and actually learn a skill. It's landing pages. This is what I did. It's a standalone web page that's designed to capture a visitor's attention and make them take a particular action. Okay, cool. Give me 5 landing pages. Now, this is the good part. This is where your content is. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. These are all tweets. These are all YouTube videos. These are all Instagram posts. Let's pick number 2 here. Write me a long form Twitter thread on part. Let's see what it does. 1 out of 9, 2 out of 9. So that's 1 tweet, 2 tweets, 2 tweets, 3 tweets, and that creates a thread. It is that easy. Okay. Write me a YouTube video script on the same thing. You get the title, you get everything. It literally gives you everything. This could be, I'm going to keep this video under 3 minutes because it's just a glitch. It literally is a glitch. If you use these and take advantage of all these, I could have 20, 30, 40 tweets from just these prompts. Like, it's that easy. So if this helps you, please subscribe. It would mean the world to me. Leave a like, comment if you found it useful, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, freelancers.